So in this video, I'm going to go over Vitamix and is it the best blender in the game, and my journey and my story and how I got here with this. So you hear all about Vitamix and how incredible they are, and you know, they'll make soup and they'll warm soup, and you're not really sure if you want to spend the money for a blender. And I get it, right? I was on that fence. It's a game changer. I mean, this is the real deal. The first time I turned it on, I was like, oh my gosh, look at the power on this thing. There's so many different Vitamixes, and you could go through the pros and cons of the different kinds, right? And that's not what this video is about. I'm gonna give you some use cases of how I use it and why I use it. At the end of this video, I got a little experiment. I'm gonna show you this actually being used and how powerful this blender is. Another thing I like to use this for, and I just used it the other day for a video I had to do where I was making a breadcrumb for chicken parm. It made an incredible breadcrumb, really fine, just the right texture, even, like, so it's not chunks and little pieces. Like, this thing does a really good job of making something consistent size. If you're doing a smoothie or juice or something, which I'm not I had some stints where we've done juices in the family and smoothies a lot. You would get like little chunkies and then it's some smooth. This thing takes it to a whole nother level. So that's, a couple use cases you might not even think about that you can use this for. Never mind sauces and soups and everything else. So let me go over some of the features of what I like about it. For one, the opening here is just quite large. And this comes off so easily. It's extremely easy. And you can put it on whatever way you're coming into it. It doesn't have to be a certain way. Think about this blender as you're looking at, like, it seems like commercial level, but used in your home. And that's what I like about it. I like the power of this thing. So anyway, commercial level, these rubber boots here are just easy to find like that. This lid is extremely easy. It just pops on. Little levers on the side, take it off. I know it's on there with that little pop, right? If you want to feed it just from the top, you get this little opening here. So you can feed whatever you are. If you're making an emulsion or a sauce and you just need to add a little bit in here, you got the plunger. Another thing I love about this is the simplicity of it, right? You have the pulse feature if you just want to pulse something. This is the on and off. And then there's some simple settings on here. There's speeds that you can set and learn to use how you like them, but there's one here for ice cream, there's one here for soup, and there's one here for a smoothie. Dude, one other crazy feature on this is actually a measure. It has little settings on there. It's 30 mil and 15 mil. But maybe you make something constantly and you always have to add just a little bit something to your whatever it is, your juice or smoothie. Right there, you can add it and it's just a little pour. It's a 1 ounce and half an ounce. Really cool. But for me, I'm in it for the commercial feature, and what it does and what I needed to do is blend. And when I want it to blend completely. And this thing has got power, and I'm going to show you it. Now, before I show that quick demo, I just want to share that they have accessories for this. So they send me the accessories. If you want to do like, hey Bob, I want to have the all-in-one equipment and not just a blender, and you need a food processor, look at this thing. Okay, they got you covered. Same thing, easy, just goes on there real easy. Dude, it's got all the different parts you'd want for a food processor. The different knives, as you can see. You got different knives here. All different kinds are in here, and this attachment, that comes out, this goes in. So you can have, this thing can be a complete food processor, your blender. I mean, it literally is a game changer. And I really think that it's built so well that it's just going to last for years. So guys, if you're going to buy one of these Vitamixes, use my link in the description. I really appreciate it for my channel. I'll leave one for this whole attachment, this accessory, which goes on all the Vitamixes, by the way, and also the popular blenders that are out right now for Vitamix. A great part about a blender is you can experiment with different things, right? And if you got the right ingredients, it's going to taste good, hopefully, anyway. So I just grabbed some, I got a little bit of ice cream left in the fridge. I got some frozen berries here. They're blueberries and raspberries. some frozen mango, banana, some milk, and we're just gonna give it a shot and see how it does, right? So throw that on there. Just make sure this is locked on. I'll add ice cream first, a little bit of vanilla bean. Make sure I get all of that because that's ice cream. Blueberry, raspberries, frozen still. This thing goes through frozen stuff like no problem. Frozen mangoes. Need a little more sweet in there because those berries are kind of tart. Mango will be sweet, but depending on how ripe it was, might be tart. So throw a banana in there. Throw another banana in there. Alright, and then we definitely need a little bit of liquid in there. So I got some whole milk here. I don't know, like about that much. We'll see how that goes. If we gotta add some more. You can easily right through the top there. So throw this right back on. Make sure it's not on the edge that's flipping up. And then let's just use one of these predetermined settings. So I'm just gonna set it at the smoothie and flip it on. I guess that's it. Guys, I wish you could have saw with the camera the funnel it was making in there. It's unbelievable, this thing, and how powerful it is. All right, pop that lid off. Check the consistency. Dude, I think that's gonna be good just like that. Oh yeah. So give that a full pour here and see. I mean, if you're looking at that, you could see like it's all the same. I mean, it's perfectly blended. The power it has is incredible. Let's give this a shot. This might be my favorite recipe, who knows? Like I said, like you go through that and it's like perfectly blended. This never would have happened with my other blender where there's no chunks or anything like that. So guys, if you're shopping out there looking for a blender, you want to spend a few extra bucks, I can say, and I don't give, I only give reviews on products that I use and I'm gonna use daily or weekly, and I've not had a problem with this Vitamix. And what I like about it is it does what it's supposed to do and it doesn't struggle doing it. Thanks guys.